Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how does Temu coupons work. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Temu account or Temu application on your phone and log it into your account. And once you log in here, you will find the home page. Just click on the U button in the middle right here. And here you will find this section. Just click on coupons and offers. And after that, here you'll find this page. Now you should enter the coupon code just right here. And once you enter the coupon code, click on apply and the coupon will be applied. And you need to know that some coupons provide a percentage off and others may provide an amount off. So some coupons may give you, let's say, $15, and some other coupons can give you 30% off. So this is how you can use coupons. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.